In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a watcher in ClickUp. Adding watchers is a great way to keep the right people in the loop on specific tasks without assigning the work to them. Watchers receive updates and notifications about changes, comments, and progress, so they can stay informed and respond when needed. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, make sure you're logged into your ClickUp workspace and then navigate to the area where your tasks are stored. You'll want to be in the list view, which shows your tasks in a clean column-based layout. If you're not already there, switch to list view from the view options at the top of your screen. This view makes it easier to select tasks and apply changes to them. Next, find the specific task you want to add a watcher to. On the left side of the task's name, you'll see an unchecked box. This is the selection box for that task. Click on that checkbox once. When you do this, you're not marking the task complete. You're simply selecting it so you can access bulk actions and additional options. As soon as you select the task, a bar will appear at the bottom of the screen. This bar contains several actions you can apply to the selected task. Look along that bar for an option labeled More. Click on More to reveal additional settings related to the selected task. From the expanded menu that appears, find and click on Followers. In ClickUp, followers are the people who are watching the task, meaning they'll receive notifications about updates. This is exactly where you'll manage who is watching the task. A window or panel will open showing a list of people and, in some cases, teams in your workspace. Here, you can choose who you want to add as watchers. Simply click on the names of the people or the team you'd like to follow this task. When you select them, they'll be added as followers and will start receiving updates related to that task. Once you've chosen your watchers, you can close the panel. Your changes are saved automatically. That's all it takes to add watchers in ClickUp, helping you keep communication focused and everyone aligned on what matters.